Friends, today I bought a pumpkin. I thought I would tell you the traditions of Halloween. So this is how pumpkin looks and we'll be carving. So my son will be carving it. He doesn't want to be in the picture, so I'll just be showing his hands and his working hands. He's a very good boy. So this is my son doing pumpkin for Halloween. Enjoy! Here I'm just cutting off the top portion. It's become little very bad actually. It looks like it's going to go bad. It needs to be out actually. But I just stored it in the house when I bought it yesterday. Oh, it's so hard to actually cut. I didn't know that it is so hard to cut. But we'll try. They say no, when you're in Rome, you need to do what the Romans do. So while you're in America, you do what the Americans do. Chop, chop. Now my son is helping. He said, Mom, you leave it, I'll do it. Let's see how much strength he has. Come on, do it, do it, do it. You can do it. Yeah, no time for me to help him little. And now we have to take the goofy part from inside all this pumpkin seeds. We made a big hole. My hands are going inside now. Ouch. Just need to remove this. Oh, my hands are getting messier. Oh no. Here is the goofy part. See, this is how it looks. Now we'll have to dig in more. My full hand is immersed inside. Here is all this.
Goofy part is coming out. It's so gross.
Good job. You're doing amazingly good. It's nice. Now we'll do something with the pumpkin seeds also. I'll put it in the air fryer and do a dish also. So we'll do some pumpkin seeds also here. So this is also yucky. Can you see, friends, how yucky it is? Yuck, yuck, yuck. It's really a 2-person, 3-person's job to do this. Today I'm sure my this one mats and all I have to go for a wash. Now we'll be carving its eyes. 2 eyes will do. It's interesting how it just pops inside. Today I'm doing the recording and I'm giving a voiceover. So here we are doing its eyes. Now my son is doing the second eye and it looks good. I'm really proud that he's a good boy and he's doing this. And he wants to make this Halloween a good Halloween, but with no chocolates in the house. That's a little funny, but we don't eat chocolates, so we have no chocolates. We are drawing its mouth. The big mouth of Halloween pumpkin. I think now I'll have to go to the store to get some chocolates also. What if some kids come over to the apartment and we'll have to do some chocolates? So I think I have some treats actually. If I have to go, I have to get some treats. Others I have some small prizes, like I can give pencils and eraser. I don't think we should buy some chocolates this time for Halloween. It's better to give some pencils and some goodies. I anyway don't like to give children much sugar and chocolates. So we are having a little struggle. It's very hard to do a pumpkin carving actually. And I don't know where I have kept my pumpkin peelers and all, which I bought last time. I'm not getting it. I don't know where I put them in the storage. Yeah, I have some pencils and all. Children will become happy taking those pencils, and they are Halloween pencils. We are having having a little hard time cutting this mouth of the pumpkin, but we are getting there. It started wiggling with the pumpkin. Oh, it's so hot today. Oh, we had to on the AC. You might be getting some sound of the AC, air conditioner. So that's how people get cold and cough, because the AC is running and sometimes it's cold. Oh, here comes the mouth open. We opened it. Yay! It's so good now. So friends, once this is carved out, I'll put a candle inside and show you how nice it looks in the dark. And I hope this video goes before Halloween, or at least on a Halloween day, because I took time to record it and now I'll have to edit it and all. It'll take time. My son did a good job. I'm so proud. It's still coming out. We had not cleaned it well. We thought it would be okay.
This is the mouth. This is the goo coming out. Coming out of the mouth.
So here is the pumpkin which my son carved, and today we all spoke in it and we all have our voiceovers. I hope you like this, and once it becomes dark, I'll lit and show you the candles. I'll light it and show you the candles actually. Here I'll be saving the seeds and washing them off, and I'll try to put them in the air fryer. So I'll just take away all the seeds. I'll rinse them. So here we are just rinsing off and taking off all the sticky part of here, and we'll be putting off in the air fryer with some oil and some salt. It's really yucky, but we need to give it a good rinse. That's what I saw people do this, and they rinse it well. Oh, the water is nice hot. Here I've washed it well, I've rinsed it well, and this is how I got it. And it looks so good and clean and clear. So we have done this. Now I'll dry it up for 1 hour or something, and I'll season it with some oil and put some salt and all. So now I have to only do some pumpkin seeds in the air fryer and show you. And today it was full Halloween clips and Halloween video. I hope you all have a safe and a sound Halloween. And kiddos, don't eat much chocolates. If you eat, your parents will not like it. So just eat chocolates in limit, because chocolates are not good for your health, and you can have very bad teeth problems, tooth problems. So when we do the air fryer, I'll record again, friends. Hope you all are having a good day. Always nice to do something which gives us a festive look and a festive season. Just love after fall, because now Thanksgiving will be coming, Christmas will be coming. It will be so much fun, friends. So here we have dried it. It's been more than half an hour now. And we'll just season it with the oil and put it in the air fryer. I've taken the air fryer. Now I'm putting all the seeds in here. This in the air fryer now, and I'm closing it. I'll just on it. Now I'll try to keep it for 20 minutes because it's not much, and we'll keep it at 320. So it's got cooked well. I got the sound, and this is how it looks. Oh, it's so hot. Now I'll add some salt. Here is some salt. I'll just sprinkle some salt and keep it back again so that it will get moisture. It should become warm again. So friends, here I've roasted them well, and I kept it in the air fryer. This is how it came, and it has come out so well. We'll remove the parchment paper. And see, friends, how crispy and nice it is. Wow, I just loved it. Now I'll shift it in the vessel, and whenever I want, I'll just pick up and eat them and sprinkle on whatever I want. So friends, I'll take over here 2 or 3 I'll show how to eat. So friends, here I've taken 3 pumpkin seeds. There are 3. Now we'll eat and I'll eat and show you. I usually don't eat when I'm talking over the camera. So we need to just take the seed after roasting it in the air fryer. Just put it in between your teeth. Oh, the shells are too hard and crisp actually. So, and we open it, crack it open like that. This didn't come out well. I'll try it with the other one. The face becomes very bad. Can you see this, friends? The kernel inside. It's looking so good. But we need to be very careful. Here, friend, the kernel came out so well. This is the kernel. Can you see? It cracked open in 2. So it's very crispy and nice. I liked it. You should try it, friends. So the pumpkin, the best part was to get its seeds actually. So it's good. I hope you all enjoyed this channel and you enjoyed my little Halloween thing which we did, and enjoy your Halloween. Eat lots of candy and then you'll have to brush a lot and sleep well. Okay, friends, till then take care. Okay, enjoy the Halloween. I'll see you all next time. Bye. If you have liked it, like it, share it and subscribe. Glad to be here and love you all. Okay, bye. So we made a big cut at the back side also because we realized that the candle we could not put it and could not lit it. So here we cut a big square piece. Now we'll lit it. So this is how our Halloween pumpkin looks. It looks so beautiful. All in the darkness. It's looking like haunted place, and there's only one pumpkin which is lighted up, but it looks good. My son did a good job. So all kudos to him. He did good. I hope you all liked it, and if you have liked it, just comment and he'll feel happy reading all the comments. And this is for all my friends in India who wanted to see how pumpkin is carved. This is how it's done, and we place a candle. So this was the scene of Halloween 2020 at my place. I hope you liked this and whatever I presented today. So if you have liked it, like it, share, comment and subscribe if you have not done so. And subscription is free for you all, and you can follow me, and if you have any questions you can text me to Instagram and Facebook Messenger. I'll get back to you if I cannot read the comments on the YouTube. So have a good night. Enjoy your day. Bye for now. Good night.